Understanding the modulus operation, a simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a concept that's not just useful in mathematics, but also in understanding everyday language. The modulus operation. It's a term you might encounter in various contexts, especially if you're interested in computer science or mathematics. But don't worry, we'll break it down in simple terms, so you can grasp it easily. The modulus operation, often referred to as mod in short, is a mathematical operation. At its core, the modulus operation finds the remainder after dividing one number by another. For example, if you divide 10 by 3, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. In this case, 10 mod 3 equals 1. It's different from simple division, where we focus on how many times a number fits into another. Here, we are interested in what is left over after the division. To understand the modulus operation better, let's look at some everyday examples. 1. Time calculations. Imagine it's 11 p.m. and you plan to sleep for 8 hours. What time will you wake up? Here, you can use the modulus operation. 11 plus 8, mod 24. Since there are 24 hours in a day, we use 24 as the divisor. The answer is 7 a.m. 2. Arranging objects. If you have 10 apples and want to put them in boxes of 3, how many apples will be in the last box? Using 10 mod 3, we find that the last box will have 1 apple. These examples show how the modulus operation is applicable in our daily lives. In computer science, the modulus operation is widely used. It's essential in algorithms, determining even or odd numbers, and cycling through repetitive tasks. For example, in a week, if today is Monday, what day will it be after 100 days? The calculation would be 100 mod 7, because there are 7 days in a week. The modulus operation helps in creating loops, managing arrays, and in many other situations where we need to deal with cycles or repetitions. I hope this video has made the concept of the modulus operation clearer to you. It's a simple yet powerful tool in mathematics and computer science, and understanding it can help you in various practical scenarios. If you have any questions or would like to see more such explainer videos, please leave a comment below. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.